Do you like cooking? Do you want to talk about food in English? Let's learn English with something delicious. Today's topic is cooking. Simple, fun, and very useful. Welcome to Leo English Channel. Let's cook and learn English together. Hello, my friend. I'm Leo, your teacher and your friend. Today, I will help you improve your listening skills. We will learn English about cooking and food. I will speak slowly, clearly, and use simple words. Just listen, relax, and enjoy. This lesson is for A1, A2 students. Let's begin. Part 1. Why I like cooking. I love cooking. It is fun. It is creative. And it is healthy. When I cook, I feel happy. I play music, cut vegetables, and smell the spices. Cooking is not hard. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. I usually cook lunch and dinner at home. Sometimes I make breakfast too. It saves money and I eat better food. Part 2. My kitchen. In my kitchen, I have many things. I have a stove, a fridge, a microwave, and a sink. I also have a small oven. I use pots and pans for cooking. I use knives and spoons for preparing. I also have plates, bowls, and cups. My favorite tool is my blender. I make smoothies with it. Part 3. Simple ingredients I use. Every day, I use simple ingredients. I use rice, eggs, tomatoes, onions, potatoes, and garlic. I love using olive oil and black pepper. Sometimes I cook chicken or fish. I also cook lentils or beans. Vegetables are very important. I try to eat green vegetables every day. For breakfast, I like to eat bread with cheese or boiled eggs. And I always drink tea in the morning. Part 4. How I cook a simple rice dish. Let me tell you how I cook a simple rice dish. First, I wash the rice. Then, I put it in a pot with water and a little salt. I boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I lower the heat and cover the pot. After 10 more minutes, the rice is ready. Sometimes I cook vegetables with it. I cut onions, garlic, and carrots. Then I fry them in olive oil. I add a little salt and pepper. Sometimes I add chicken or eggs. Then I mix it all with the rice. It's simple and very tasty. Part 5. Cooking with family or friends. Sometimes I cook alone, but sometimes I cook with my friends or my family. We laugh, talk, and work together. I cut vegetables. My friend cooks the meat. Another person sets the table. And after cooking, we eat together. It's a good way to spend time with people you love. Part 6. How cooking helps language learning. Cooking can help your English too. Yes, really. You can read recipes in English. You can watch cooking videos in English. You can listen to words like chop, boil, fry, mix, bake. Cooking has its own language. So next time you cook, think in English. Say, I cut the onion, or I add salt. That is good practice. Today, you learned English about cooking. You heard about food, ingredients, and how I cook a dish. You listened to real, simple English. You are improving. Please repeat this video again tomorrow. You will understand more and more. Step by step, your listening gets stronger.